Hello and welcome to tcfex.com. This tutorial course will introduce the specific academic tools needed for completing your research, whether you're a professor, supervisor, researcher, or you're writing articles for submission to scientific journals. We strive to give research students every opportunity to achieve their research objectives and progress academically through the use of the correct academic tools. So, what are these research tools? The tools that we'll introduce here give researchers the opportunity to maximize their potential in research, ultimately leading to prominence in your particular subject field. Now, the starting point in any given research project or article is the research proposal, which must be well written, focused, and a solution to a problem, all set out in a logical progression. At this part of the writing process, the tools we'll introduce here will help the researcher minimize the time spent writing the proposal and will accentuate and construe which subjects are viable for research and highlight what other researchers have discussed previously. The next important step in the writing process is to conceptualize your field of study and then select an appropriate keyword, which will make it easier for you to draw upon the reserves of previous studies done in your subject field. The tools offered in this series of courses will expedite this process, and validation of your studied field will be much easier. Throughout the whole of this process, the tools we have available for you will provide enhanced facilities for note-taking, index searching, report writing, paraphrasing, and editing. Research has never been easier. Now, the next important step in the writing process is the selection of your project title. The tools provided will help you select the most appropriate title, thus ensuring the effect your research will have on the scientific world. Now, when a researcher wishes to publish articles in the academic world, the tools we'll introduce will help evaluate journals in terms of their quality, review time, acceptance rate, issues per year, and printing period, in order to select the most appropriate journal for you. Our research tools will take care of all of this for you. Researchers sometimes disregard or belittle the presentation and documentation of their research in international academic forums. But it is in the interest of any researcher to find opportunities to present their research in appropriate places. The appropriateness of the place where research is presented should not be underestimated. Only in the right place will the audience or reader be interested in your work and offer advice, constructive criticism, and comments, which will ultimately improve your research. For the purpose of the presentation of your research in academic forums or other such mediums, we'll provide you with research tools, which will render your research more accessible and available to other researchers in the same field. This series of courses is highly recommended to all those involved in or undertaking research. We would like to invite you to benefit from the knowledge and experience put forth here by our highly experienced team of academics. We'd like to give you a brief sample of the courses provided, and we invite you to view the first part of the course, Introducing Research Tools.